If you speak Spanish and people understand you, but you still sound boring, probably this is why. One of the first things I notice with beginners is not their accent that sounds off. It's a few basic sounds that they bring from English. In Spanish, we don't add sounds. English does. If you pronounce the H in this word, native ears hear something else. Because remember, the H in Spanish is silent. So it is hola. This letter is not an English D or R. If you say todo instead of todo, that's why people can notice you are struggling with pronunciation. And also, you're saying a completely different word. Spanish vowels don't move, they stay in one place, which means in Spanish, we only have 5 sounds for vowels: a, e, I, o, u. Say this with me: hola, todo, no. If you fix just these sounds, your Spanish will already sound clearer, even if you are just starting. If you want to go deeper with this topic, don't forget that you can book a free welcome class with me. All you need to do is go to booking.lmethod.com/booking. In that free class, I can provide you more information about your Spanish background, and also I can make a customized plan for you. Remember, this is totally for free. Leave a comment. I would like to know what other words you struggle with, and see you in the next video. Ciao, pescado.